Good day to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to this wonderful Friday afternoon. And wherever you are, whatever your time zone, I greet you. Never allow pressure from those eating their harvest make you to hit your seed. Plant your own seed and wait for the harvest. This is coming up again this time around. Sometimes ago, I did a broadcast on this. And I'm addressing especially the Kringle community. Don't allow the pressure from all the so-called naysayers out there to stop you from planting. The planting season is a time that the farmer put in all his effort, put in the good seeds, plant it, nurture it, and see to it that it is that the crop, the seed germinates and the crop comes out beautifully. It's not a time to relax, it's not a time to sleep. It's a time to watch, to nurture, and watch your seed. It is a time to guide it jealously. It's a time to, to, to look for a good seed to plant. And as you are planting it, do not allow the naysayers, those who will tell you, come and eat fast, fast. Those who will tell you, oh yeah, now, the moment you put in now, you get it now. No, TBC is not a Ponzi scheme. TBC is not a get rich quick scheme. No, TBC is a community of love and respect, a community that God Himself gave a vision, and we are building this community from ground up. TBC is a currency, is a mission with a currency, not a currency with a mission. No. So the first task there is what? And every seed you have, plant it. We are sowing those seeds now for us to reap our abundant harvest. So, guys, I want to stop to say that the little seed that you are sowing has to do with what? Attending meetings regularly, paying your program fees, go all out prospecting, and what? Increasing and in that form boosting the number of the community, and learn to talk good about the community. Speak well, speak positive things about the community. These are ways in which you plant your seed. And very, very soon, our distribution period will be over. Then there comes the full economic blow. And that is when it will now become full harvest time. Full harvest time. So, guys, do not eat your seed. Plant it now. As you are planting it, you are getting abundance coins. You are getting quite a number of coins from the admin's wallet. You pay your monthly program fee in crypto, you get 100 TBC coins, and you have access to submit keywords. And one for every keyword you submit, you have just one. You have one TBC. And for broadcasters, for every broadcast you make 10 TBC. Guys, that is awesome. And for any referrals that you bring into the community, and also the rapid reward, you have TBC. So what is it? So don't eat your seed. Plant your seed and wait for the harvest time. By the time we're now spending our coins, yes, making purchases with it, selling, then you now see the abundance coming in. So, guys, this is a quick reminder. Don't allow the pressure from those you see out there. So coin, so token, and they are just eating their seed. Don't allow the pressure from them to make it to hit your seed. Let's keep on the good work, and very soon, very, very soon, we shall all enjoy. Don't forget, press that button and subscribe. Spend once. God bless you. And if you are watching this video for the first time, click on that link below this video. Subscribe. Join our community.